Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase firewall efficiency with Fortinet easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase firewall efficiency with Fortinet, begin by accessing the Fortinet Management Console. Log in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of the current firewall status. Identify any high traffic or bottleneck areas displayed on the dashboard. Next, go to the Policy and Objects section. Review existing firewall policies for any unnecessary rules. Remove or consolidate rules that could be slowing down performance. Now, head to the System Settings. Select Performance to check for system resource usage. Ensure that CPU and memory usage are within optimal. If they are not, consider upgrading your hardware or adjusting settings. Next, configure traffic shaping to prioritize critical applications. In the Traffic Shaping menu, set bandwidth limits and priorities for different types of traffic. Ensure that your IPS and antivirus features. Adjust the inspection settings to reduce resource consumption without compromising security. Review logging settings next. Limit the amount of log data collected to essential information only. This will enhance performance by reducing the load on the firewall. Now, implement session timeouts on idle connections. Navigate to the network settings and adjust the session timeout values. This will help free up resources tied up by inactive sessions. Consider enabling IPv6 if you anticipate high traffic or a growing network. IPv6 can improve efficiency in data handling and routing. Regularly update your Fortinet firmware to benefit from performance enhancements and security patches. Set a schedule for periodic reviews of your firewall settings. This ensures that your policies remain relevant and efficient over time. Finally, conduct routine performance tests to measure the effect of your changes. Use Fortinet's built-in tools or third-party applications for this purpose. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.